Shut up and sit down.
We can't make a good cup of tea. Ooh. Hello YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Damian from Fuel Exhausts. Before we crack on with the video, I'd like to say a huge thank you to everybody who's already subscribed to our channel. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, which is a milestone I never thought we'd reach. As a way of saying thank you, when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be running a competition to win a free fuel exhaust. If you'd like to subscribe, like and visit our social media platforms, keep an eye on them and you'll all be in the chance to win a free exhaust. This is a can that we've been sent by a customer of ours from 2012. It's never been repacked, so we've got the job of repacking it, and I just wanted to show you what goes inside, what the packing material looks like on a nearly 10-year-old exhaust. This typical design, we still do this type of exhaust, but as you can see from the rolled outlet, we no longer do a rolled outlet, and plus we no longer do the polished finish anymore. Everything now is either in a brushed finish, a media blasted finish, or it's a black. And plus we still do the classic design, but it has, rather than having a rolled outlet, we weld a piece on just to make it a little bit more modern. So let's get to grips and take it apart and see what's inside. Okay. Packing material still there, but definitely needed repacking. So the ingress of the soot and everything has just made it non-efficient, so we'll repack that. But the packing material is mostly still there. You can see this discoloration, it's mostly from water just being absorbed into the material, and it kind of makes it not any use anymore, so it doesn't absorb the sound. Okay, I'm going to repack this. First thing we do is I use a stainless steel wire wool to protect the material from all the high frequencies that basically rattle and shake the packing material, and it disintegrates through the holes in the baffle tube. So we use a stainless steel wire wool on the inside to protect it and to make it last longer. We just roll this around the tube. Relatively tight, so we've got a nice protection layer there. We then get our length of packing material, which is pre-cut, predetermined. We just roll it up, and then because we've got it on the tube, now I can just use this to insert it over the baffle tube, straight into the exhaust, removing, pushing in, remove, push it in, nice and easy. And then we just take our cap and line up our two holes here with the two holes on the can. As much as we can. Tap that back in. And then we refit with a rivet band and new rivets. So, done. Please make sure you follow us. Stop laughing. You make me laugh. You can't say the camera. It's not that.
It's not. It's not. That's not what I wrote down.
Not what we wrote.